Hi guys, so in this video I wanted to just record a clean with me day in the life on a Saturday after a long week of work. And I just wanted to share with you guys kind of like my quick morning routine before I start cleaning. So I just wake up early in the morning about 7:30 a.m. and I take a quick shower, brush my teeth, and then I'm going to start making breakfast. And I will show you guys what I'm making for breakfast today. It's one of my favorite quick breakfast plans, and it's very good and fulfilling. So come along with me and I'll show you guys my cleaning routine. And yeah. So I am making oatmeal. I buy this almond milk at Trader Joe's, and I just use 1 cup and I put it on a pan and I just kind of let it boil. And then once it starts boiling, I turn the heat down to simmer, and while I get my oatmeal, I don't want this to overflow, so I'll just take it off the heat, and then I will show you guys what oatmeal that I use. So I have I just have it in this plastic bin for storage, but the oatmeal that I use is from Whole Foods, and it's this one. It's the old-fashioned rolled oats, organic. So I just take, like I said, 1 cup of this almond milk and half a cup of oats, and I will show you guys what I do with it next. Alright, so once I put the oatmeal into the almond milk, after I've put the heat down low to simmer, I just spin it around to mix the oats with the milk, just like that for a little bit. And I let it cook on maybe 2, and it's uncovered. Let it steam on a light boil, and I don't touch it after this. I let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then I will show you what it looks like once it's finished. Alright, so after about 10 minutes, this is what the oatmeal looks like, and it is actually all ready. So all I do is just mix it up a little bit. And this is kind of what it looks like once it's finished. And this is what the oatmeal ends up looking like. So I have some honey in there, almonds, pecans, some different kinds of nuts in there with dried berries, grapes, and cranberries. So that's what I'm going to have for breakfast today. And I typically have this almost every morning. It's just quick on-the-go breakfast. Takes about 10-15 minutes to make. And I will just have a cup of tea with that and move on to my cleaning.
Well, I got some coke in my bourbon, surfing a room like Swayze. No, I ain't drunk, I'm amazing. Yeah, I got that laid way back in my swagger. X Factor, feeling no pain. I'm at the top of my game. Darling, you can't crash my party with your sorries and what always. Don't start raining on my Mardi Gras parade for a minute. Now I ain't even fixing to listen to your guilt tripping. You're forgetting, girl, you made your bed and didn't want me in it. Whoa, girl, simmer on down a notch. Ain't nobody making you watch me get my forget you on. No, girl, can't touch my good as gold. I know it's difficult to see me on the road, but hey, you broke up with me. Yeah, what can I say, babe? You broke up with me. Guess you don't know what you want till you see you moving on. Making lonely look like freedom. Baby, don't even act like I'm doing something wrong. If my song comes on and I get lost on that dance floor in somebody's arms that ain't yours, you can't crash my party with your sorries and what always. Don't be raining on my Mardi Gras parade for a minute. I ain't even fixing to listen to your guilt tripping. You're forgetting, girl, you made your bed and didn't want me in it. Whoa, girl, simmer on down a notch. Ain't nobody making you watch me get my forget you on. No, trying to rub it in your face. I'm just breaking off a little cold hard truth. It is what it is, girl. You did what you did, girl. I'm just doing what a bachelor do. Darling, you can't crash my party with your sorries and what always. Don't be raining on my Mardi Gras parade for a minute. I ain't even fixing to listen to your guilt tripping. You're forgetting, girl, you made your bed and didn't want me in it. Whoa, girl, simmer on down a notch. Ain't nobody making you watch me get my forget you on. No, girl, can't touch my good as gold. I know it's difficult to see me on a roll, but hey, you broke up with me. Yeah, what can I say, babe? You broke up with me.
Yeah, I know that the woes and the weight of the world can get inside our minds and be too much sometimes, I know. But baby, don't let the no's and the ups and the downs from the roller coaster ride beat you up inside. Baby, don't. But if you ever feel that way, don't you ever hesitate. You got my number, you can call on me. If you in trouble, put the fall on me. When you're mad, you can take it out on me. When it don't add up, you can count on me. When you're low, come get high on me. Make it slow, take your time on me. Settle in, let it out, come and lay on me. When it gets heavy, put the weight on me. Baby, put it all on me. Put it all on me. Take you out on the town on my dime anytime, tell me when you're free. We can do anything and everything you want. Yeah. Oh, I wanna hear all your fears and your troubles. Strip it down, really get to know one another. When it's nobody but you and me, just us. Girl, you know I'm here for you. You can lean on me anytime you need to. You got my number, you can call on me. If you in trouble, put the fall on me. When you're mad, you can take it out on me. When it don't add up, you can count on me. When you're low, come get high on me. Make it slow, take your time on me. Settle in, let it out, come and lay on me. When it gets heavy, put the weight on me. Baby, put it all on me. Girl, put it all on me. Alright. Come on, relax your mind on me. When you need a shoulder, you could cry on me. Baby, you can bet your life on me. And put it all on me. You got my number, you can call on me. If you in trouble, put the fall on me. When you're mad, you can take it out on me. Yeah, when it don't add up, you can count on me. When you're low, come get high on me. Make it slow, take your time on me. Settle in,